You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly from Norse mythology. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce more names from Norse, stay tuned. There are more videos including the name of the other wolf, Freki. That's the Icelandic, also Swedish, Norse pronunciation. Let's call it Freki. Freki, if you cannot pronounce Norse correctly or roll the R in particular, you can say Freki, alright? Freki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.